Hi, my name's Dr. Joceline Fuchs, and I am a board-certified urologist that practices in the northwest suburbs of Philadelphia in the Montgomery and Bucks County region. My practice is called MidLantic Urology, and I subspecialize in men's erectile dysfunction, prosthetics, reconstruction, and trauma. I was born in St. Paul, Minnesota, but I grew up for the most part in Austin, Texas. I stayed in Texas for my undergraduate and medical training, and then ended up in Chicago, Illinois for a number of years before I landed in Philadelphia in 2018. I completed my medical school training in Houston, Texas at Baylor College of Medicine before I moved on to Northwestern University in Chicago for my urology residency training. I then got interested in male reconstruction and sexual function, and then completed a subspecialty year of fellowship training in Dallas, Texas at University of Texas at Southwestern. I went into urology because I really love being able to care for a man from the beginning to the end of a lot of things that affect both your longevity as well as quality of life. I can offer medical therapies as well as surgical therapies to treat these conditions. My area of clinical subspecialty interest involves that of male erectile dysfunction, sexual dysfunction, including penile curvature and Peyronie's disease, as well as male reconstruction for complex stricture disease. I chose to focus on men's health because I really love being able to affect a man's overall quality of life, something that affects you day to day and really makes a difference. There's a lot of parts of urology that can save men's lives or keep you out of the hospital, but what I really love to do is doing something that can save a man's marriage and really improve self-confidence. What patients should know best about me is that I'm here for you. I'm a really good listener, and I think that that's something that's very valuable in a field where it can be really uncomfortable to talk about. So never feel like you have to edit yourself with me. I'm always here to really understand what it is that I can do to help.